What's going on, guys? Well, holy cow, it's a lot cooler this morning. Back in Revelstoke. Hold on, might have to get out of the wind here. So yeah, I'm back in Revelstoke. Went to say hi to my daughter, of course, before I came here. But man, with all that peopling last week, I needed a break. So I just came here for a little solitude for a couple of days. And yeah, now I got more chores to do, of course. Life always gets in the way of having fun, doesn't it? So yeah, I have to take this young lady, Miss Uma. Excuse me, Miss Uma. Hey, you have to go to the doctor today? Yeah, she liked the doctor. So yeah, she needs her annual exam, and of course, she needs her paperwork for crossing the border in a few weeks. That's only like 4 weeks away. Wow. And yeah, then I just think I'm going to spend the night at my daughter's because the van's going in tomorrow to get the oil cooler replaced finally. Thankfully, I made it back and forth from Cultus Lake. It was about 6 or 7 hours each way, so yeah, checking the oil all along the way and everything's good. So yeah, beautiful spot. I always loved this spot at Begbie Falls. But I didn't go down to the falls since I was here. I was just chilling out. Plus, for some reason, my heel's bothering me. I don't know what's going on. I guess coming up on 60, all these aches and pains are coming out or something. I don't know. It sucks anyway. Oh well, just keep on moving, like I said. So yeah, Uma's going to the doctor today. She enjoyed it here. She was belly up on the gravel most of the morning. Didn't care, but yeah, we went for a walk around the block. It's not busy at all, obviously. You can see that many campsites are open. Yeah, she was saying it's been really busy here lately. And for some reason, it was even busier last weekend than it was on the Labor Day long weekend. Whatever. Who knows? I think something was going on in Revelstoke. But yeah, look at the scenery. Can't beat it. Yeah, you can feel that cold autumn air sinking in, that's for sure. That's when you know it's time to head south for the winter. What a fast year, holy cow. That was like super fast this year. Yeah, I guess with all my adventures and stuff, instead of hanging out in Ontario in somebody's backyard, I was actually doing something all the time, so that made it go by a lot faster, other than looking after my daughter's place. But yeah, crazy. I can't believe we're hitting there. Anyhow, it's getting windy again, so off to town we go. Who's a little girl? Yes, you like the belly rubs. Oh my goodness. Who's a good girl? Look at that tail go. Goodness. Oh, wow. Well, good morning, everybody. This cold weather's really sinking in. The toque is on, so that means fall is coming. That also means time to get the hell out of Canada. But anyway, we are here, hopefully getting the final repair done on the van. Man, enough is enough. So yeah, Bighorn Auto, right around the corner from my daughter's place. Nice and convenient for being able to walk home after dropping it off. I hate relying on people to pick me up and do stuff, but yeah, like I said, hopefully that's the last repair. And yeah, I can get the rest of the stuff buttoned up. weeks to go before heading south. Holy cow. This is crazy. Crazy fast year, but I guess I was busy the whole time, so it is what it is. Beautiful little morning walk with baby Uma. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much. Yeah, she gets her morning walk in. I get my morning walk in. Like I said, hopefully that's the last time the car's going into the shop for a good long time. Yeah, got a couple other things to do in town today, so I'm gonna borrow my daughter's car. Get that done. Yeah, we're almost done with real life chores. Like I said, this reality thing sucks sometimes. I'd rather just be camping. Alright guys, we'll talk to you soon. Alright guys, 4 days later. First day they didn't work on my vehicle at all. Second day they got the oil cooler done. Third day they got the brakes done in the morning. So I'm back at good old Begbie Falls for the weekend. I think it's gonna rain, but that's okay because I went to physio in Revelstoke as well, and yeah, my plantar's fasciitis has flared up, so she taped it up with that K-tape stuff. I did some ultrasound on my heel and told me to stay off it as much as possible. So I guess it's a Netflix weekend, but it is going to rain all weekend. But anyhow, I got some other news for you guys, some good news. I'm just going to get leveled up here, and I'll be right back. You happy to be back, Uma? Back at our campsite? I sure am. Holy, that's a lot of stress off me, that's for sure. So yeah, Uma got all her paperwork done at the vet. I saw physio, did a bunch of other things. Oh, got the oil cooler finally changed, and the rear brake pads had to be done. The reason all that work had to be done was to get an out-of-province certification, because I'm selling the van. Van life is over. I'm done with it. I'm officially moving to BC. And yeah, no, I'm just kidding. Screw that. I love van life. We are officially a BC resident. Holy cow. First time in 59 years I've ever left Ontario. So that's kind of cool. That, yeah, I'm happy to be closer to my daughter. Yeah, I really love Kate and Carson, and love hanging around them and being around them. It sucks that I have to leave all my good friends behind in Ontario. Most of them are still from high school and stuff, which is bizarre. But yeah, I'm going to miss everybody from Ontario. But yeah, time for a change. I enjoy BC. I love it. I love the mountains here and everything else. And you know, you just can't beat this province. This province has everything. Provincial parks are much better with the almost all of them have that first come first serve area, which I think every province should have. It's ridiculous. Ontario, you have to book everything at the beginning of the year. There's no being spontaneous camping there. It's really stupid and expensive in Ontario. So yeah, switching over the BC plates today. I got insurance as well. Oh, I got to call my insurance company and cancel in Ontario. But yeah, I am officially a BC resident. I think that's awesome. But yeah, like I said, I think it's going to rain most of the weekend and stuff, so I kind of set everything up for rain purposes. Put the awning way out, cover the picnic table a little bit, and the carpet and the chair. Yeah, try and keep everything neat and tidy and not have a muddy mess inside, since I don't like that. So yeah, I'm excited for the new change and where we go from here and everything else. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I guess that's it for this week, because I'm not doing a hell of a lot else than watching Netflix and doing the exercises that I got for my foot. I got to get that heel better. I think it was from a lot of the long distance driving that I did up north when I was trying to get from mechanic to mechanic to mechanic to get stuff done, because I was driving for many hours, like 7 hours, 9 hours and stuff. Kind of stupid, but yeah, I think that definitely aggravated my heel, but it's time to make everything better. It's just nice to be stress-free, that I don't have those repairs or don't have to, there are quite a few things on that list to get certified to the out-of-province certification. That was quite a few things, so happy to have everything buttoned up and done. I guess that's it. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later. And, yeah. Oh, if you didn't answer the last time, let me know where you're watching from. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys. Bye. Welcome home to this cottage. I like it.